In this video, I'm going to show you how to create responsive columns in Elementor. With Elementor, you have full control of your layout for desktop, tablet, and mobile. So let's look at this two-column layout with a heading on the left and an image on the right. Now let's look at it on tablet by clicking on responsive mode and choosing tablet. Let's say I think that layout would look better as a one-column layout on tablets. The first thing I need to do is select a column, either in Navigator or here with the gray Edit button. In the left dashboard window, under the Layout tab, set the column width section to 100. Then select the second column and also set it for 100. Now click on the desktop icon in the column width section and notice that it reverts back to the original two-column layout. The same applies to mobile if you would like to change that column structure. Just click on the mobile button and set it accordingly. Just a side note, anywhere you see these icons, you have the ability to set variations for all three device sizes, giving you advanced flexibility in your responsive layouts. Once you're happy with your layout, click Update to make it live, and you're all set. Thanks for watching. Cheers.